Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today. And also, I mean, really, I think the best, but not think, I know the best part of the day was the final 30 minutes. You can see right there represented big surge in volume the final 30 minutes, and the price was finally able to break up above that red line. I say finally because if you've tracked the videos that I've done on this one, then you've probably gotten sick of me just talking about that red line up at 915 being a level of resistance. 915, the level of resistance, over and over again. But with the price finally now up above it, there's, kind of a new big question going into Tuesday. And this is not some sort of like revolutionary discovery on my part. I assure you, anybody that uses charts, understands charts, is wondering the same thing. And that question is just simply, hey, is this the start of something bigger? It clearly broke out above this area of resistance. So yeah, is there going to be any sort of genuine power, genuine follow through with it? Or in technical jargon, is there going to be any sort of continuation? And that's a pretty straightforward question to answer with charts. And that's why I love charts, because when you look at them certain ways, they really insult your intelligence. But let's just once again use 915, however, for a different reason. And that reasoning, goes along the lines of logic of, well, if this is the start of something bigger, well, then the price is going to make progress forward, right? The price is going to keep on getting bigger. The price is not going to go back to where it was. And I'm assuming I insult your intelligence when I say that. Well, yeah, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if this is the breakout, the price is not going to go back to where it was. That'd be the exact opposite of a breakout. Exactly. So think about 915. Any sort of breaks below there or worse yet, the price separates to the downside. Does that mean the entire chart is ruined? No, absolutely not. But as far as this breakout is concerned, well, that would be putting the price right back inside of the area that it just broke out from. Again, not exactly a sign of true power, true continuation, or anything like that. Whereas let's say the price does go down here a little bit. However, in this situation, it behaves like that before starting to work its way back upwards. What would you now have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. A truly strong move is going to make progress as time goes by. And in this situation, 915 now becomes our progress point rather than the resistance like it's been. So a whole lot of eyeballs are going to be on 915 and wondering this exact same thing. So the week is young, still 4 days left. Let's see if this thing can maintain up above 915 or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.